Hello everyone, my dear students of first year. Today we will solve some examples on moments about origin and moments about mean. So in this lecture we are going to use a relation between moments about origin and moments about mean to solve the problems. So first keep in your mind that four relations. So we start with that four relations. First one is mu1 equal to 0. Mu1 is always 0. Then mu2 is equal to, write down these four relations because we required it. Mu2 is equal to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash square. Mu2 dash minus mu1 dash square. Then mu3 is equal to mu3 dash minus 3 into mu2 dash into mu1 dash plus 2 into mu1 dash its cube. And fourth one, mu4 is equal to mu4 dash minus 4 into mu3 dash into mu1 dash plus 6 into, ही थोडी वेगळी टर्म लक्षात ठेवायची, 6 into mu2 dash into mu1 dash square आणि लास्ट टर्म येईल minus 3 mu1 dash raised to 4. So these are the four formulas we required. Just keep in your mind these four formulas. Now we write down one problem and one by one we are going to solve the problem. It's my request to you, whenever we solve the problems, then at that time you start writing the problems and its solution in your notebook, so that if one of the step I just miss out here, you can get the complete understanding. Okay, here the first example is, find first four moments about mean if random variable x is defined by x is equal to minus 2, probability is 1 by 3, 3 probability is 1 by 2, and 1 probability is 1 by 6. So we have to find first four moments about mean. But first we find moments about origin, and then we will using the relation we will find moments about mean. Before that, first write down x and f of x. These are the values of x and these are the values of f of x, means 1 by 3, 1 by 2 and 1 by 6 are the probabilities, and minus 2, 3, 1 are the values of x. So write down the table x and f of x, which will help you to solve the problem. So x and f of x, minus 2, then 3 and 1. For minus 2 the probability is 1 by 3, for 3 probability is 1 by 2, and for 1 probability is 1 by 6. Now first find mu1 dash. Mu1 dash is equal to what? E of x. E of x means summation x f of x. Have you remember? Summation x into f of x. So here minus 2 into 1 by 3 plus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1 into 1 by 6. So do it. Minus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 6. So if I simplify here, I get minus 4 and plus 9, 5 by 6. 5 by 6 plus 1 by 6. So your answer is 1 here. So mu1 dash is 1. Written? Complete? Okay. Now take mu2 dash. Just keep in your mind these values. For mu2 dash, we have to find e of x square, means square of these values, then cube of these values, and raised to 4 of these values. So you just keep these values in your notebook and see it carefully. So I am solving now e of x square. So e of x square is equal to, first value is minus 2 into f of x, that is its square into 1 by 3. Have you understood it? नाही का, परत सांगतो. e of x square is equal to, फॉर्म्युला लिहितोय, समेशन एक्स स्क्वेअर इंटू एफ ऑफ एक्स, म्हणजे एफ ऑफ एक्सचा नाही स्क्वेअर घ्यायचा, फक्त एक्सचा स्क्वेअर घ्यायचा. मग एक्स बघा काय तिथे -2 त्याचा स्क्वेअर इंटू 1 by 3 प्लस 3 त्याचं स्क्वेअर इंटू 1 by 2 प्लस 1 इट्स स्क्वेअर इंटू 1 by 6. अंडरस्टूड? सो इट इज 4 by 3 प्लस 9 by 2 प्लस 1 by 6. and if you simplify it, किती होईल बघा, 4 into 2 8 प्लस 3 into 9 27 अपॉन 6 प्लस 1 by 6. या सर्व व्हॅल्यू नीट लक्षात ठेवा, लिहून ठेवा. वी नीड दॅट व्हॅल्यूज. हॅव यू अंडरस्टूड? ओके. नाव you just simplify it, total you will get 36 upon 6. So e of x square is 6. Value of e of x square is 6. Understood? Now turn towards the third value, e of x cube. So e of x cube is equal to summation x cube into f of x is equal to -2 cube इंटू 1 by 3 प्लस 3 क्यूब, लक्षात आलं असेल आता तर करत चला पटपट, इंटू 1 by 2 प्लस 1 क्यूब इज 1 इंटू 1 by 6. सिम्प्लिफाय इट. सो व्हॉट विल यू गेट? हियर आय गेट -2 क्यूब मीन्स 8 by 3 प्लस 3 क्यूब मीन्स 27 upon 2 plus 1 by 6. So LCM is 6. Simplify it. Here I get 16 and here I get 81 plus 1. Correct? So here what is my answer? 98 upon 6. Am I right? Check करूँगा. 98 upon 6. Right? Or you may simplify it on your calci and take that value there. Correct? Hope everything is correct. 1 plus 1 2, 6 plus 2 8 and 9, 98 by 6. Next one, e of mu 4 dash, that is e of x raised to 4 is equal to, take the value, -2 raised to 4 into 1 by 3 plus 3 raised to 4 into 1 by 2 plus 1 raised to 4 into 1 by 6. So simplify this. Here I get 16. In mu 3 dash I made mistake. mu 3 dash मध्ये काहीतरी चूक झाली बघा, कॅल्क्युलेशन चेक करून. हियर -2 raised to 4 upon 3. हां, इथे -2 क्यूब तिथे प्लस घेतला गेला mu 3 dash मध्ये, तेवढं करेक्ट करा. आपण हे झाल्यानंतर परत करेक्ट करू. 16 by 3 प्लस 3 raised to 4. 3 raised to 4 means 81 into 3. बरोबर ना? 81 into 3 upon 2 plus 1 by 6. Now do it on calci and you may get the answer 46. मी mu 3 dash परत एकदा सॉल्व करतोय, काय झालंय बघूया आपण. mu 3 dash is equal to -2 क्यूब, हां इथे चूक झाली आपली, इंटू 1 by 3 प्लस 3 क्यूब इंटू 1 by 2 प्लस 1 क्यूब इंटू 1 by 6. So here -8 by 3 plus 27 upon 2 plus 1 by 6, and if you simplify it you will get 66 upon 6. So it is 11. mu 3 dash is 11. So these are the values. So which are the 4 values we get here? I am writing here again. mu1 dash is 1, mu2 dash is, what is the value of mu2 dash? It is 6. Then mu3 dash आपण चुकीचं काढलं होतं, नंतर परत करेक्ट केलं, 11. mu4 dash is equal to 46. बरोबर. मग आता पहिले व्हॅल्यू mu1 इक्वल टू 0, तो 0च असतो. mu2 इज इक्वल टू काय फॉर्म्युला, mu2 डॅश मायनस, परत लिहा म्हणजे पाठ होऊन जाईल, mu1 डॅश स्क्वेअर. मग का बघा काय होईल, mu2 डॅश म्हणजे 6 मायनस 1, 1चा स्क्वेअर 1, सो युअर आन्सर इज 5. अंडरस्टूड. आता mu3 काढूया. mu3चा फॉर्म्युला आठवतोय, mu3 इज इक्वल टू mu3 डॅश मायनस 3 इंटू mu2 डॅश इंटू mu1 डॅश प्लस 2 इंटू mu1 डॅश इट्स क्यूब. आता mu3 डॅश, what is mu3 dash? 11 minus 3 into mu2 dash means 6, mu1 dash 1 आहे त्यामुळे कॅल्क्युलेशन सोपं आहे, प्लस 2 इंटू 1चा क्यूब 1च. सो व्हॉट आय गेट हिअर, 1चा क्यूब 1च येणार आहे. 11 मायनस 18 प्लस 2, सो युअर आन्सर इज -5. mu3 इज इक्वल टू -5. अंडरस्टूड. ओके. नाव फाइंड mu4. करता येईल का? mu4 इज इक्वल टू, यस, mu4 डॅश मायनस 4 इंटू, परत लिहित चला फॉर्म्युला म्हणजे पाठ होईल, mu3 डॅश इंटू mu1 डॅश प्लस 6 इंटू mu2 डॅश इंटू mu1 डॅश स्क्वेअर and last term minus 3 into mu1 dash raised to 4. Put all values. mu4 dash, value of mu4 dash is 46 minus 4 into 11 into 1 plus 6 into mu2 dash 6 into mu1 dash 1, त्याचा स्क्वेअर आहे 1च होईल तो, मायनस 3 इंटू परत 1 raised to 4 1च होईल. आणि सिम्प्लिफाय इट, कॅल्सीवरती करावं हवं तर 46 मायनस 44 प्लस 36 मायनस 3. इफ यू सिम्प्लिफाय इट you will get 35. Understood? So these are the in this way we solve the problems. Now this is the example for discrete random variable. Now let us solve one example for continuous random variable also. One or two examples we will solve here. Okay, so our next example is, see the second example now. Find first four moments, first word is missing. Find first 4 moments about mean if PDF is f of x is equal to, PDF means probability density function, f of x is equal to 3x square, 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 1 and it is 0 otherwise. So this is our function, just keep in your mind function, remaining part we will easily solve. Find first 4 moments, f of x is given 3x square between 0 to 1 and otherwise it is 0. So our limit is 0 to 1 here, and PDF means continuous random variable. So here first value mu1 dash is equal to e of x, that is integral 0 to 1 x into f of x. E of x means x into f of x dx. काहीच नाही, mu1 डॅश साठी x घ्यायचा, mu2 डॅश साठी x स्क्वेअर घ्यायचा, mu3 डॅश साठी x क्यूब घ्यायचा, mu4 डॅश साठी x रेज टू 4 घ्यायचा आणि सॉल्व करायला सुरुवात करायचं. सो हिअर इंटेग्रल 0 to 1 x, f of x काय आहे तुमचा 3x स्क्वेअर. हे लक्षात आलं ना, 0 to 1 काय घेतलं, दिलेलं लिमिट 0 to 1 आहे म्हणून, तिथे 0 to 5 दिलं असतं, आपण 0 to 5 घेतलं असतं आणि नाहीतर मग -∞ टू +∞ घेतलं असतं. तुम्हाला जे दिलेलं आहे त्यानुसार सॉल्व करा सिम्पल वेने. 3 इंटू इंटिग्रल 0 to 1 काय होईल बघा, x इंटू एक्स स्क्वेअर, इट इज एक्स क्यूब dx. अँड व्हॉट इज इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ एक्स क्यूब, एक्स रेज टू 4 अपॉन 4. आता खूप सारे एक्झाम्पल आपले याच्यावर झाले अगोदर, करा सॉल्व पटपट. 0 to 1 इज इक्वल टू, युअर आन्सर इज 3/4. म्हणजे mu1 डॅश काय आला तुमचा 3/4. नीट लक्षात ठेवा तो, इट इज 3/4. Next, mu 2 dash. Mu 2 dash is equal to, what is value of mu 2 dash now? Integral 0 to 1 x square into f of x, that is 3x square dx. Again 3 constant, integral 0 to 1 x raised to 4 dx. What is integration of x raised to 4? X raised to 5 upon 5. So 3 x raised to 5 upon 5, 0 to 1. So our answer is 3 by 5. बघा पहिला आलं होतं 3 by 4, आता आलं आहे 3 by 5. पुढचं येऊ शकतं 3 by 6, 3 by 7. बघूया आपण पटपट. mu 3 dash. Mu 3 dash is equal to again integral 0 to 1 x cube into 3x square dx is equal to परत 3 बाहेर, integral 0 to 1 x raised to 5 dx. What is integration of x raised to 5? It is x raised to 6 upon 6. Limit is 0 to 1. So your answer is 3 by 6. Upper limit minus lower limit. 1 चा किती पावर घ्या तो 1च येणार आहे ना, आणि 0 0. And last one, mu 4. Mu 4 dash is equal to integral 0 to 1 x raised to 4 into 3x square dx is equal to 3 outside, integral 0 to 1 x raised to 6 dx means 3 into x raised to 7 upon 7 integral 0 to 1. So your answer is 3 by 7. बघा आता व्हॅल्यूज काय आला परत लिहूया. mu 4 dash is equal to 3 by 4, mu 2 dash is equal to 3 by 5, mu 3 dash is equal to 3 by 6, and mu 4 dash is equal to 3 by 7. Right? Mu 1 is always 0. Mu 2 is equal to mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash square. So mu 2 dash 3 by 5 minus mu 1 dash square means 3 by 4 its square. So here I get 3 by 5 minus 9 by 16. So here 3 by 80. This is your answer. Now in similar way you can find mu 3, mu 4. Are you able to do it? Yes. Let us solve now mu 3. Mu 3 is equal to mu 3 dash. परत फॉर्म्युला लिहितो म्हणजे तुम्हाला मागे बघायची गरज नाही. mu 3 dash minus 3 आता पाठच होऊन जाईल. mu 2 dash into mu 1 dash and last term is plus 2 into mu 1 dash cube. टाका व्हॅल्यू. mu 3 dash. mu 3 dash means 3 by, yes काय आन्सर आलं होतं बघा बरं, 3 by 6 minus 3 into 3 by 5 into 3 by 4 plus 2 into 3 by 4 its cube is equal to, पटकन कॅल्सीवरती कॅल्क्युलेशन करा आणि काढा आन्सर. सो वी गेट आन्सर minus 1.693. Similar way you can find mu 4, right? Find mu 4 and reply me the answer. Okay, so we stop here.